A beginner's guide. Live streaming on YouTube is one of the best ways to connect with your audience in real time, whether you're gaming, teaching, or just chatting. If you're a beginner, here's everything you need to know to go live and start engaging with viewers instantly. 1. Meet YouTube's live streaming requirements. Before you can go live, make sure your YouTube channel meets the basic requirements. Your channel must be verified, and you need to have no live streaming restrictions in the past 90 days. If you want to stream from a mobile device, you'll need at least 50 subscribers. 2. Set up your live streaming equipment. A good stream needs the right setup. Start with a reliable camera or webcam, a clear microphone, and good lighting. If you're streaming games or tutorials, consider using streaming software like OBS Studio or Streamlabs to enhance your broadcast. 3. Enable live streaming on YouTube. To start, go to YouTube Studio. Click on Create and select Go Live. If it's your first time, YouTube may take up to 24 hours to enable live streaming on your account. Once activated, you can customize your stream's title, description, and privacy settings. Choose your streaming method. YouTube offers 3 ways to go live. Webcam mode, quick and easy, ideal for face-to-face streams. Streaming software, encoder mode, great for gaming, tutorials, and multi-camera setups. Mobile live streaming, perfect for vlogs and on-the-go content, but requires 50+ subscribers. 5. Engage with your audience and optimize your stream. Once you're live, interact with your viewers through chat, answer questions, and keep the conversation engaging. Use pinned messages, live polls, and shoutouts to boost engagement. Also, promote your stream in advance through social media and community posts to get more viewers. Going live on YouTube is a great way to build your audience and create real-time connections. Are you ready to start streaming? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.